Good morning, everyone. So, the first question is, what dental education software or hardware, and why do you recommend it or not recommend them? So, I'm gonna recommend the visible body or the 3D anatomy software. So, why would I recommend it? So, interactive 3D models of human anatomy help students visualize dental structures in detail. So, the limitation is it's so expensive, steep learning curve for beginners. And the other one is DentSim Simulator. So simulation software is provide realistic practice for dental procedures and enhancing hands-on skills. So there is a limitations for using it is high setup cost, requires specialized equipment. And the third one is CareSteam or DEXIS or radiology software. So why would I recommend it? So allows student to practice reading and analyzing digital x-rays. So there is a limitations is expensive and requires training for effective use. So what could improve efficiency? So AI and machine learning integration. So AI could personalize learning and adapt students' progress, making study sessions for more effective. The second one is advanced VR with haptic feedback. So immersive VR systems that stimulate real dental procedures would provide hands-on practice without risk, improving skill acquisition. So in summary, dental X-ray digital simulations and 3D models are valuable, but incorporating more advanced AI and VR could make dental education more efficient and accessible.